Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make bottomless mini chicken pot pies. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 chicken breasts cubed, 1 large potato cubed, 1.5 cups of mixed vegetables, 1 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup, 1 egg for the egg wash, and also 1 roll of puff pastry. So I have my chicken pre-cooked. I put adobo all-purpose seasoning in it with garlic powder, onion powder, and ground black pepper. Also my potato is pre-cooked and my mixed vegetables. So we're ready to go. In a bowl you want to add your mixed vegetables, your potatoes, and your chicken breast. Now we're going to mix until it's well combined. Next you want to add your can of cream of chicken soup. We mixed it until it was well combined. Now we're going to set it to the side. Now we're going to open our puff pastry. Okay guys, I have my puff pastry rolled out. I'm using a ramekin, so I'm just going to press it down into my puff pastry to make the circle for the tops. Once you have your puff pastry cut out, you want to take a knife and you want to cut an X in the center. We're going to do that for each one of them. Now I have my ramekins on top of a baking sheet and we're ready to fill them. Okay guys, as you can see, these ramekins hold quite a bit of the filling, so I decided to make 4. So now we're going to cover the top with our puff pastry. As you can see, I have all 4 of them covered, and I did press on the edges to seal it. Now we're going to take our egg wash and we're just going to coat the top of our pot pies. Make sure you get all the edges. This is going to make it nice and golden brown. Now our pot pies are ready to go into our oven at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so now our chicken pot pies are done, so we're going to let them cool off. So these are our bottomless mini chicken pot pies. Look guys, look how delicious they look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.